over Kansas that were very pleasant today. However, we are looking for a new front to begin to drift south and eastward. The central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading, 73 up in the Midland area.
Wolf of Wall Street is on. I'm gonna show you guys what I bought, even though I really want to watch this. I just stopped and got some water, a big bottle, because I don't know if they have free water here. I'm such a noob. I went to Walmart. I got paper towels. This picture looked like toilet paper. I was like, toilet paper. Pillow protectors, microfiber pillow correctors, oh gosh. I got some microfiber pillow protectors from Mainstays, and these are 20 by 28. I saw some other ones I wanted to get. They were just so small, and I'm like, who uses those size pillows? Down the aisle, they actually had pillows alongside the pillowcases. They were all this size. The other one was so cute, but it was just too small. And then lastly, I got some olive oil to put on this dry ass hair. I'm gonna go watch my movie and wash my hands, and I'm gonna wipe everything down. Wait, should I wipe everything down first or should I eat first? I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten since breakfast. I had a ham, egg, and cheese for breakfast. Typical New Yorker. I also got Fabuloso to wipe down the surfaces because I use this in my house and the smell lasted so long. You know when you clean and you want the house to smell clean, bro? This, I like the lemon one, and lemon is good for getting rid of, like, well, not getting rid of them, but like keeping pests away, like ants and like roaches. So like lemon is the shit. But I mean, I think lavender also keeps away insects as well. I think possibly ants, and it also repels moths. Don't just pick up any scent because you like it, guys. Gotta know what you don't want in your house. Really good stuff. You should all get this in your house. I gotta like wipe off these handles as well. This chair is super gross. Like, look at that. Waited our content about to come out, but it literally looks like someone like came all over this fucking room, bro. It's probably from like renovation or something, but it just looks, it's just freaking everywhere. Like, why is it everywhere? I'm gonna have some coconut water. Someone said I should do a ASMR video, and I honestly been thinking about it. This is a towel that I have to put over the chair because it's so disgusting. I really considered asking for an upgrade. When I was outside, I saw that there were like rooms with like doors and stuff and like bigger windows. So like, why they gave me this room? Why they gave me this room? I really want to ask, but I'm also like so scared. Maybe they'll see this video and like offer me a free stay in a better room. I got some fried things. They didn't put the barbecue sauce and stuff over it like they would in the city, which was weird. So this is the sauce. I don't even know which one it is. Here we have some white rice. I'm showing you the angle. Subscribe to that. I really gotta watch this movie. Hopefully it comes on later, because you know sometimes we do that. And this is chicken and broccoli that I got. I don't have a straw. They do have a kitchen area. Maybe I can find a straw there, but I'm not about to get up and go over there. But yeah. Speed eat time. Ooh, tons of filming. Please tell me she gave me a fork. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna eat with my hands. I don't know if they have a fork. So good. Why did this woman not give me a fork? It's crazy because I was looking at utensils inside Walmart. I didn't need utensils. Holiday chicken wings. They smell good. Pretty good. I cleaned my sneakers and I don't know if I want to put my sneakers back on or just go out. Like Kerrecia's just normal, so.
Happy tastes good. Maytag dishwashers with dual power filtration can polish off this party pleaser.
I gotta go ask for it.
Snowpiercer, all new Sundays at 9 on TNT, and anytime on. So absolutely awesome. Wow.
A fork. I definitely said I was gonna go while I was on commercial, and I did not. Alright, I'm gonna wait till we go to commercial. And how long can it take to get a freaking fork?
A $2,000 suit and a $40,000 gold watch.
Got the spoon, guys. And I just realized my TV is super loud and you can't even hear it through the door, so I guess I can talk a little louder. I hate like vlogging and knowing people can hear me. Well, you guys probably can't hear me over the television right now. I'm so happy that I'm here. I can't believe I'm doing this. I've been wanting to come to Connecticut for so, not even Connecticut, but I wanted to like take a trip upstate on my own for like the longest time. And I feel like this is like a, you know, when you do it once, you do it again type thing. Very excited. Even if it is for like 3 days. I'm a major homebody. And I also don't like spending over my means. Or my means. Honestly, if I wasn't here to thrift, I probably wouldn't have come.
Happy tastes good.
Some cell phone plans don't give you enough data, but more is music to the ear. I've got your back. Call 800-900-6700 today. Depending on
Time to clean.
Central and eastern parts of Kansas will very probably be cloudy in the morning, and then western Kansas will begin to get increasing cloudiness by tomorrow afternoon. Today, however, very, very pleasant reading. 73 up in the Goodwill area, 72 in Garden City, 70 reported by Dodge City Liberal, 72.22 over by the good folks of Ponca City, Blackwell area, 68 degrees today. Winds southerly at about 15 with gusts of 25 miles an hour. Barometric pressure 30.00 and is rising. And no precipitation. We're about a half inch behind, correction, a half inch ahead for the year, and 1 53/100ths behind for the year so far. We'll be looking for a little bit of a change tomorrow, and of course the possibility of some scattered showers. Today, of course, there's nothing showing up on the radar. However, the satellite photo was pretty interesting.
I'm gonna leave this here. That is security, and I cleaned up there too. I don't know if I'm actually gonna use it. I might need it for my towel, but I might also not. Change this pillow now. Yeah, this is my first trip. I said that earlier by myself. And in a really long time also, actually. I wish maybe my tablet was here. I think I said that earlier, but I don't remember. Wish she was here, but I feel like I'm gonna get addicted to this. Like, I'm in a hotel room chilling by myself, and I feel great right now. But yeah, I'm gonna change this pillowcase and I'll go back to watching my movie. Look at this, guys. It's coming on again.